When we start a business, we're just chugging along, doing our thing, and then there comes a point when we have to register it. So we either we incorporate, or we need an HST number, or whatever it is. So we do that, and the CRA gives us a business number. And especially, so what is that business number? The business number is your account number with the CRA. So just like our social insurance numbers are the account number personally with the CRA, that's what we file our personal taxes under, how we pay them, how they identify us. That's our number. So it's the same thing with a business. You have a business number, which is your account number. It's how they identify that business. You can have a business number if you're a sole proprietor or if you're incorporated. It doesn't matter. If you're incorporated and you register federally, if you incorporate federally, then it just issues you a business number. If you incorporate provincially, depending on the province, it does not. So you would have to go and register with the CRA once you incorporated. If you're incorporated, you also have a corporation number, which is different than your business number. The corporation number is what the registry recognizes the company as. So some people have numbered companies. That's not the same thing as your corporate number. I mean, sometimes they're the same number, but not the same function. The name of the company, not the same function as the corporate number that was issued when you incorporated. That number you need to update the registry, either the provincial or federal registry every year. You have to file what's called an annual information return. So if you incorporated provincially, you have to file that information return with the province. If you incorporated federally, you have to file that information return with the Canadian corporate registry. And that is not a tax return. So that's your corporate number. You need that to file your corporate annual information return, and that's different than a tax return and your business number from the CRA, because they're different entities. The CRA is not the corporate registry, so you have two account numbers basically. You're on the CRA side with the business number. That number is kind of your umbrella. Like I said, it's the account number that you have with the CRA. So when you go and you register for HST, or you register for payroll, import, export, that kind of thing, they are called programs, and it's the business number is your HST number, but you add a little RT0001 to the end of your 9-digit business number. So that T is telling you what program it relates to. So our T is sales tax, our C is income tax, our P is payroll, our Z is information. So if you have to file like a T5 or something with the government, those letters are telling you which program you're talking about, but the 9 digits that go in front of those two letters are the same across all your programs, and it's your business number. Is that more clear or less clear? In conclusion, having said all that, your business number belongs to the CRA, you use it for taxes. Your corporate number belongs to the registry, either provincial or federal registry, depending on where you incorporated, and you need that for your annual information returns. Those are the two main numbers that your corporation will have. If you have any questions about that, then definitely leave them in the comments for me and I will answer them. If you have a more specific question about your situation, or you need a bit of guidance, I've left the link to my calendar in the description, so you can book a free 30 minutes with me, and I'll just answer all your questions. So bring a list of them. I'll speak with you tomorrow.